Hey, in today's video, we're going to talk about why Tesla stock dipped after earnings, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the update of my Tesla call options. The short answer is that people are purely taking profits, but there's much more that goes into this, in my opinion. First thing we need to do is pull up the 1 month chart and see that Tesla was at 1,000. It just broke 1,000 1 month ago at the end of June. So in the last month, the stock went from 1,000 up to a high of 1,700. That's a 70% gain in 1 month. Why did this happen? First, I want to say none of this is financial advice. This is all purely my opinion, and this is just some speculation. I believe that the deliveries came out July 3rd, and they were positive. Now, Elon Musk got fined from the SEC from giving details. He likes to talk about things and give his opinion. So what he did was he changed his Twitter photo to the jets of the rocket. They were flames. It was signifying the burning of the shorts. Tesla is the #1 short stock. It was the first stock to reach $20 billion short of short interest. So that alone is a lot of downward pressure onto the stock. All the short sellers saying that Tesla will never be profitable. Elon Musk knew that Tesla was going to be profitable this quarter, and that would be 4 quarters of profitability. So he came out with the shorts, changed his emoji to flames because the shorts are getting burned because they were profitable. Now, if you take a look on the website at the shorts, first of all, they're priced at $69,420. Second, if you read the description here, enjoy exceptional comfort from the closing bell. Product will ship within 2 to 4 weeks. This was at the beginning of July, about 1 week in. So 2 to 4 weeks, if we go smack dab in the middle, 3 weeks brings you to earnings. That's the earnings date. Essentially saying you can enjoy exceptional comfort from the closing bell. Closing bell is when Tesla is reporting the earnings. Product was shipped by then, so that's when you'll get your shorts. Flames as a logo. Shorts are getting burned. This is 4th quarter profitability that we're getting out. So Elon gave this all out at the beginning of July. This level of confidence exuded to all fund managers and all retail investors that, hey, this is going to be a profitable quarter. So what did everyone do? Everyone bought ahead going into earnings. This is my opinion. So everyone bought in, and that's when we saw an insane rally. That's a 70% jump from 1,000 to 1,700. Earnings came out. Everyone had already been bought in. I put my call option in because I was still betting on some people not believing that Tesla was profitable and going ahead and buying in after they saw. So I still thought there was a good amount of buyers waiting until they saw the confirmation that Tesla was profitable, and then they would buy, further pushing the stock up. I was wrong. I was incorrect. And what we saw was after the earnings was released, everyone said, hey, this is exactly what I thought would happen. That's why I bought before. Now let me sell and take my profits. Everyone sold, started selling and taking their profits. A lot of people have stop losses along the way. So the stop losses get triggered as the stock falls. So we see more dips and more dips. The second point with that is that Tesla is a momentum stock. It's a hype stock. So when there's lots of hype, lots of momentum, it goes up. When there's no hype, no momentum, it goes down. Very volatile. It's also a highly swing traded and a highly day traded stock. So Tesla stock, people need to understand that it's so unique in the sense that it has the most short interest. It's the most hated. It's the most loved. It's one of the most frequently traded large companies out there. Market cap of $262 billion. For a short summary, the biggest reason why Tesla stock has dipped from 1,700 on Thursday morning, July 23rd, to now just Friday becoming 1417 at the market close. That's about a 300-point move from the high to now where it is in just the span of 2 days. That is, to me, that is pure profit taking. The next 2 catalysts coming up is the S&P announcement, the inclusion, and Battery Day coming September 22nd. I don't see anything else giving it that upward momentum other than those 2 catalysts in the near future. Now, the S&P 500 inclusion, after doing research, we're seeing that it could be announced within the next week or in the next 1 to 2 months. The board of the S&P 500 meet once a month. So the most likely cause is the next 2 to 4 weeks, we're going to see that announcement of them getting included, and then we're going to see a nice bump to the stock price go up. How much? Who knows? I'm not sure. The only thing that could change the momentum right now is the continuation of analysts coming out with upgrades. There's been a lot of upgrades, seeing the average analysts go from a price of $750 a share to around just over $1,100 a share as their 12-month target. which is still lower than the current stock price, but the analysts have been getting this company wrong all along. They're just now starting to factor in the consideration of solar and things like autopilot and possibly robo-taxis coming into the future. Before, the reason why Tesla was valued around 200 to 300 a share is because it was valued as an auto company with the potential to have some technology, better technology in there. Now, more and more people more and more analysts are starting to recognize the fact that, hey, they seriously do have a superior lead in technology and a battery advantage over the other companies out there. And there is also no other company who is near them on their autopilot technology. Now, just to update you, I did take a $3,000 loss on that 12,000 US call options trade I put. I sold out right away when the stock was dipping below 1,600, and I took the 3,000 loss. If I kept it in there now, I would see around a $6,000 to $7,000 loss at this point, just for holding an extra day. So I got lucky and closed out the options trade on that one, and then I bought back into Tesla at 1,400 a share on the Friday. Now in total, I am holding 275 shares, and I'm planning on saving up more money to get a few more shares as we go along the months. Next video that's coming out is the future of Tesla, where I see Tesla going by 2025 and 2030. Just to wrap up the video, we'll show my portfolio here. 1 year ago, 131,964, and current today, we are at 514,356 1 year later. That is the current portfolio. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, more portfolio updates, and I'll see you in the next video.